Hello and welcome to Module 4 of Course 1 of our Electronics Specialization. In this module, we are going to be studying the BJT, that is the bipolar junction transistor. Like the MOSFET, the BJT is also a three-terminal device. Some parts of this module are going to overlap with content from the previous module. We won't be covering it again, however, you will have a link in the instructor's notes below the video to the relevant videos in the previous module that deal with the same topic. Now, as in the case of the MOSFETs, the BJT, a three-terminal device, is preferred to the two-terminal diodes because the three-terminal devices provide more control and the three-terminal devices have more applications, especially in the field of signal amplification, design of digital logic, and memory circuits. The BJT, just like the MOSFET, can be used as both a switch and an amplifier. Now, the BJT came before the MOSFET, in 1948 to be specific, at the Bell Telephone Laboratories, USA. The MOSFET only became a serious competitor to the BJT in the 1970s and 80s. By now, however, the MOSFET has taken over the BJT and is the device of choice in electronic circuits. The BJTs, however, have not been obliterated from the field completely. They are still in demand in complex analog circuit applications, both integrated and discrete. Also, their reliability under severe environmental conditions makes them quite favorable for certain applications. We also have a technology called BiMOS or BiCMOS that combines very high frequency operation and high current driving capability of the BJT with high input impedance and low power of the MOSFET. This technology is increasingly finding larger areas of application.